Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact the support team for Shopmium. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in shopmium.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Shopmium website. Now from the homepage, you can click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed with your email address and your password or your social accounts to log in. However, in order to contact the support team, you can directly scroll all the way down at the bottom of the page where you will see the Help Center option. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will be asked to choose your category. You can either proceed with choosing any category if you see your issue listed, or you can click on Submit a Request at the top right corner. Once you click on this, you will be asked to enter your email address as well as your issue type and your subject. Type in your email address that you use while signing into your account, and then in the issue type section, click on the drop-down menu and then choose whichever issue closely resembles your case. If you don't see any issue listed, then you can choose Other and describe your own issue type within the subject section. After providing a short intro within the subject, just enter your issue in the description in details. After entering your description, you also have the option to upload any attachment if it helps your case. Finally, click on the Submit button after filling up this entire form, and this will send a support request to the Shopmium support team. After they have received your request, you will receive a reply within your inbox where you will find the necessary steps that you can take in order to resolve your issue. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to contact the support team for Shopmium. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.